Hello and welcome to another update video about Doge. Yeah, quick update about Doge. The structure itself hasn't changed, but it is now an area, or the price has arrived at a point where a low could form at any time, and maybe the low is already in, we just don't know it yet. This is the support zone we've been talking about for the last few weeks. It's between 33.7 cents and 25 cents. The market last week started to dip into this support region. We were tracking a possible triangle before, and the market was just dancing above, oscillating above this support zone, and now we have reached it. Specifically, the 38.2 retracement level has led to some, let's say, to some support, or the price has found some support there, and the reaction has been quite substantial, but we haven't really broken above any significant previous highs. So it is still possible we get one more low. That would be the yellow scenario, where we're tracking an A, B, C structure, and then the C wave is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's definitely a possibility. Within this 5-wave move, then the 4th wave is likely done, and we might be in that 5th wave down. Now, there is another scenario, is highlighted in white. In this scenario, the low could be in, but that would have to be a so-called WXY structure, a structure you can't really predict, but a structure that many cryptocurrencies, let's say, complete, and that is typically when they form an early low. That happens quite frequently. Sometimes people wait for that last low, it never appears. And it often is the case when we are dealing with those liquidation events, because they are often sufficient to create a more substantial low. But then you can never really know. So all we can do is to identify resistance, which on this chart is between 33.2 and 35 cents. And then we can watch for a possible reaction to support, again, that 38.2 retracement, and to see if we can break above resistance. Now, there hasn't really been a break above resistance yet. In fact, we just moved from support into resistance back into support. But you can see that the decline is reducing in momentum. So what I've done today is I've added another micro support zone we can observe. So just to have some additional parameters to watch within the larger support area. Obviously, all of that is noise when you zoom out, but still, my view is that the market can move higher from here in the white scenario, as long as we are holding this micro support zone, which is between 28 cents and 30.4 cents. So that's the critical area to watch. The market is currently holding above it, but any break below it would indicate that another low is coming, and then we can observe the area between 25 cents and 28.5 cents as next key area. However, because the 5th wave should move below the 3rd wave low, 25 cents would be seen as the next target. I can definitely see the possibility for that a low has already been established, but all I'm saying is we need to hold 28 cents and break above 35 cents to confirm it further. Then we can talk about, okay, where should that 3rd wave go, 4th wave and 5th wave, but ultimately it could send us to around about 60 cents next. Yeah, that's the update about Doge. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.